Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'm going to be looking at a innovative tool. This is a panel board carrier. As you can see, it's got like a little hook at the bottom and a handle at the top for single use, I suppose. Handling for someone like myself who's working by myself, and we're going to be carrying a load of plaster boards in to this building. As you can see behind me, we've been plastering, and I keep getting plaster boards delivered for this project, and I'm working by myself. So I bought this because the last time I brought these plaster boards in, it was windy and it took some doing. Let's just say 8x4 sheets of plasterboard. They're not easy to handle when you've got 60-mile-an-hour gusts of winds. It's quite well sheltered outside, but it's got some fencing and bushes around, so it did quite kind of shelter it just a little bit. But there was a gust of wind where you thought, oh, I'm going to take off. So I thought this might make my life a little bit easier for carrying other stuff anyway. Anything to make your life a bit easier. So this is what's called a panel and board carrier. It's made by Roughneck, and just going to flip the camera around now and show you it. So this is it, the panel carrier, and as you can see, it's new. Not really used it yet, just waiting for a delivery to come, and then we'll be using it to carry some plaster boards in, and hopefully it'll make my life a little lot easier. I've just mentioned it's quite a sturdy little product. It's got a handle grip there, and as you can see, it's slightly angled away, so obviously when you're picking things up, you can just grip it without getting your knuckles and fingers caught and trapped. So yeah, that's it. It's got some like grips at the bottom there, I suppose they're to stop it sliding about as well, and it's just a plastic tool really. So we're going to get it going in a minute when the delivery comes, and we're going to see how well it performs. So guys, we've got the device here, as you've seen, just taken one in. I'm going to show you what I did there. Literally easy, very easy to use. So guys, there we have it. Roughneck panel and board carrier. Obviously the wording is backwards on there because we're using the front facing camera on the phone, and you see these are the 6x3 plaster boards. Carried them in by hand, 2 at a time. Could have used that, I suppose, but I didn't. It was the 8x4s that I needed, which are now in here. Just let me turn my radio off a minute. 8x4 sheets. So I had 8 of them to bring in using this. 12 quid from B&Q, I suppose you could find and shop around, get one a little bit cheaper. It's quite strong, although I should imagine if you were to drop it quite heavily or land someone on it quite heavily or hit it quite heavily, it probably would snap. But having said that, it's a case of looking after it really, isn't it? But it did the job, and I must say it took me, what, 4 minutes to get 8 boards in using that, and none of them got damaged on the way in. Like I said, I am on my own here, so tool for the job. Highly recommend it. We'll see how it goes on other jobs, obviously. Maybe come back to it in a few months or so and see where we are with it. But yeah, Roughneck, tough world, tough tools, that's what it says. 25-year guarantee. They'll probably go bankrupt by then, probably company or taken over by somebody else. But there you go. But that is what I was using it for. The board carrier came in very handy for doing what I'm doing here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Very short, I know. Just wanted to show this little gadget tool here that I've bought. You've probably seen them before, probably wondered should I get one. If you're working on your own, yes. If you're working with other people, because I suppose if two of you had one and you was carrying anything heavier than this, then this would be great for you. But I've done this on my own with the 8x4 plasterboards, and as you can tell, it's not so much the weight of them, it's the fact that they are quite bulky and twisting them round doors and everything. But this gave me a lot of control over doing that, and it was a lot easier, and I did the job a lot quicker by using this. So I highly recommend it. Around about 12 quid, like I said earlier, and you could probably pick one up in most DIY shops. I got this from B&Q, probably get it from Screwfix here in the UK. I don't know where else you could probably get it. I just happened to see it on the shelf and thought, oh, I'm going to get one of them because it'll make my life a lot easier. So anyway, that's the roughneck board carrier. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. No, it's a very short video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate everybody who's doing that, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.